What's up YouTube? This is Jimmy from Fare From Scratch, and today we're going to be making stuffed long hots. So this is one of my favorite recipes for a quick and easy appetizer. The first thing we're going to do here is just de-gut our long hots. So we're going to just use a easy stuffing of prosciutto and provolone rolled up, but you can do this with sausage or any other meat and cheese you want. So once we have those all rolled up, we're just simply going to stuff our peppers with them. Now our peppers are all ready to go, so we're going to work on our sauce. So here I have just a little bit of fried Diablo sauce that I just put into a pan, spread out, and let heat up. This is store-bought. You can make your own, but again, I like to make this appetizer pretty simple and easy, so I went with some store-bought sauce. Next, we're just going to drop our peppers in. We're just going to cover them with some of the sauce, allowing it to seep into the middle and add some extra flavor to our peppers. So this recipe is pretty hands-off. All you have to do is make sure that sauce doesn't burn in the pan by stirring it occasionally. So I checked on this about 5 minutes later, just stirred the sauce, added some more to the top of the peppers, and again just let it sit. So after it's been cooking for a while, I just top it with a little bit of provolone and let that cheese melt, and then we'll get ready for plating. So once the cheese on top of there is nice and melted and the peppers have finally finished cooking, we're ready to go for plating. I plate this just by adding the peppers on a little layer of the sauce and finishing off with a little balsamic. So all in, this recipe took me about 15 minutes to make, and a lot of that time is hands-off, so that's really why I like it as an appetizer, because it's nice and easy and it tastes great. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.